In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's custom rule builder, 5 minutes. First, open Asana in your browser and head to the login page. Enter your work email, click continue, and then type your password to sign in. Keep your credentials private, and if you can, use single sign-on or two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you land on your Asana homepage, open the project where you want automation. Rules are project-specific, so make sure you're inside the correct project before you start. In the project view, look to the top right and select Customize. This opens the project's customization panel. Here, choose Add to create something new and pick Rule. From the rule options, select. Create custom rules so you can build exactly what you need rather than using a preset. You'll see the rule builder with two key parts, the trigger and the action. Start by choosing a trigger, the event that should kick everything off. For example, a task being moved to a section, a due date approaching, or a custom field changing. Pick the trigger that matches your workflow and adjust any conditions that appear so the rule fires at the right time. If your project uses custom fields or sections with unique names, select the ones that reflect how your team already works. Next, define the action, which is the result you want after the trigger happens. You might automatically assign the task, update a status, add a comment, move it to a section, or set a due date. Think of actions as the follow-through that saves you clicks and keeps your process consistent. Glance at the rule summary so it reads clearly from trigger to action before you continue. Some projects also prompt you to choose a destination status or section. If you see that, select where tasks should go when the rule runs so your board or list stays organized. When you're satisfied with the trigger in action, publish the rule. Asana will activate it immediately. If your team is large, let teammates know a rule is in place so they understand why tasks are moving or fields are changing automatically. A few quick tips: test the rule by creating a sample task and performing the trigger. Then check the task's activity to confirm the action ran. Keep rules simple to avoid conflicts or loops, and avoid stacking multiple rules on the same trigger unless you really need to. If anything needs adjusting, return to Customize, open Rules, and edit or pause the rule at any time. That's it. You've built a custom rule that automates busy work and keeps your project on track.